Welcome back to CNR Reviews. I'm E-Rock, and I'm without Coltrane today. He's actually at an airsoft event for the whole weekend. Him and my other son, one of my other sons, Chris, who actually bought this box that I'm going to go into real quick here. They're both at an airsoft event this weekend. So this came in late yesterday, and so I'm going to open this thing up. So let me tell you what this is before I get into it. This is a mystery box sent out by Alpha Outpost. Okay, you can see that there. And what they do is they promote outdoor gear. So their mission basically is to get people to get outside and hike and camp and all that kind of stuff. All right, so they've got some like survival type boxes, they've got gun part boxes, they've got, and these are all mystery boxes by the way, but they're themed. Okay, so they have a subscription service, just like a lot of places are doing now. And you find them online. I'll have a link in the description. And this particular box is the Raptor. This is Chris's first box he got. He just signed up for that mystery box subscription service. So we're gonna open this thing up, see what we got. Feels pretty good, man. Feels heavy as hell. Feels solid, honestly. Whatever it is, it's packed really well. Here we go. Ooh. This is really cool. So this looks like an instruction pamphlet that is like a card. It's well made. And it has instructions on how to carve a full chicken. I'm guessing with the stuff that's in here. This is a knife pack. I can't wait to get into it and see what it is. So I'm going to tell you what I like about this already. Most boxes you get that have something in it that, you know, needs explanation or an owner's manual type of thing. You know, they're the little crammed up pieces of paper, right? You find them, they're jammed in a box somewhere, and they're usually crumpled up. You unfold this thing and it's like this long, it has like freaking 100 languages on it, right? And you got to fish through to find the one little tiny area that has English, okay? Look, American company. I think these guys are based in Illinois. Badass instruction card. Really cool. And these are instructions on how to weave a paracord handle on these handles here. So, man, this looks awesome. Now, these look really cool. Both of these, really nice little knives. They feel really heavy. These sheaths are really good too. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. That thing, that feels really good. Oh, shit, that's sharp. Look, that is very sharp. Okay. It's really cool too. It's got the Alpha Outpost logo on there with the Raptor logo as well. I'm guessing that's laser etched on there. This finish is really cool. How it looks. I like how that looks. It looks like old school forged, blacksmith forged. You got the little finger hole down here too. Very nice finger depressions in here to hold on to this. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And that one's, I'm sure, the same. Matching set. God, I can't. Boy, that is like razor. Seriously. Super sharp. All right. Oh, yeah. Look at this thing. Now this. Oh, my God. This thing is heavy. Oh, wow. And that is a cool patch. It looks like a patch. Check that out. Oh, it's a Velcro patch. You can take off and put it somewhere else or replace it. That is awesome. Also has the Alpha Outpost logo and the Raptor emblem there. Dude. Oh my God. That has got to be 3/8 inch steel right there. Oh my God. This thing's badass. Let's see what it looks like here. Very nice sheath. Heavy duty. Nylon sheath. Whew. Man, I cannot tell you how much this thing weighs. It's at least 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Damn, that thing's heavy. It feels so good. Makes you want to chop. Oh my God, you could definitely fillet something with this thing. Holy shit. Man, that is nice. Look at that design. And then you got all the holes there for weaving your paracord handle. Notches here. I'm going to call that a bottle opener because that's what I'm going to use it for my beers. But and then this beveled edge up here, I'm guessing is to break some bones when you're hacking away. God, that's heavy as hell. And it comes with 3 things of paracord, 1 for each handle. And then the card, obviously I said before, shows you how to weave your paracord handle, which is really cool. And then the back here shows you how to carve a whole chicken. And it has written instructions, step-by-step instructions, which are really, really nice. The other thing about these sheaths are that they have belt loops on them built in. These little karambit ones have belt loop at the top. This one has one built on the back. Very heavy duty. Yeah, that's well stitched. It is not ripping out. This is a really good box. Now this particular box is I think around $40 a month, and they have a handful of other boxes. I've seen at least 6 other ones. They all have their own theme, they all have their own name, and different prices as well. Right around that price range though. I want to say between $30 and $50, something like that. And we will be getting these boxes once a month. So the next one, actually my other son signed up for one of these as well. So he'll be getting a different themed box from the same Alpha Outpost. And so we'll be getting another one of those here in the next couple weeks. We'll do another unboxing of that one. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. If you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, bell, all the good stuff. And we'll see you soon.